Hi everyone, I'm going to show how to make a federated model using our MEP and architectural layout. So for this, what you'll need to do in Revit file, if you're using linked files, you need to do one of these in each file. You'll have to make a 3D export of that discipline. So as you can see, I have the mechanical open here. So I have a 3D view showing just the mechanical, what I intend to export. So all the mechanical systems, all the ventilation. And don't include any other links, no electrical, no architectural, no structural, just the discipline that you want to export. And then you're going to export the other disciplines from those models. So usually I would make a 3D view and just call it 3D export view, but in this case I just didn't, as this isn't actually my model, it's a friend of mine's model that we're combining, doing some work just for some MEP coordination, just for YouTube content. So what I want to do is I want to go to File and I want to go to Export, and I want to export this as an NWC. If this is grayed out, you need to download the link. If you check the link in the video description, you'll see where to get this download link. It's free and it's linked to the video description. You want to just select the folder that you want to store the NWC in. So with NWC files, so once you start your export there, it'll come in. It won't take too long because it's a small enough model just for the purpose of YouTube. But NWC files can only be opened in Navisworks Manage. However, if you have an NWD, which is a federated model, that can be exported in, that can be viewed in Navisworks Manage. But the NWD will be viewed in Freedom or Manage or any of the Navisworks. So here I want to check my export view. The electrical is what I've been working on. So my electrical 3D export, I'm not going to save the project now, but that's where we are so far with our bracketry installed. Everything's included. So I want to export this now as well. So I'm going to export. I'm going to go down to my NWC. I'm going to select the folder that I want it to be in. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to replace the file that's in there. It's going to take a couple of seconds. Then I'm going to go to Navisworks. Now I'm going to open the architectural model. It doesn't matter which one I open, but I'm going to open my architectural model that I have. So we've got the full building. I'm going to open that, give that a second. So that's our architecture. Now, I don't need the appearance profiler for now, but if I section this, you'll see that there's no MEP services, that there's nothing in this. It's just the architectural layout of stairs, doors, walls, windows, things like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to append in those two files I just exported. So I'll start with the electrical. That was the last one done. So now that electrical is appended in, and let's just see what has happened. There's our electrical. And I'm going to do the same thing now. I'm going to append in the mechanical. And let's just see. There's the mechanical. Okay, so we know the ground floor is coordinated from previous videos, but this we've started on the first floor. So we're expecting clashes on the first floor. So why don't we just go there? So we can turn off our enable section. And we can selection tree. I'm going to just turn off the architectural now. I'm just going to hide it. And we just have a little look on the first floor and see how we're looking. And actually, we're not looking too bad because we avoided most cases anyway. So that's actually not looking too bad. That's fairly decent. Maybe in here we've a bit of a clash, have we? Yeah, so we have a minor adjustment to make there. But it's not too bad. Anything that we have, like we've clashes along this run, we can just move out. So there's no issues. But anyway, just for the purposes of this, we'll turn it back on. So we can see our architecture has been hidden. Now it's back in. I would suggest making an appearance profiler. There's a link to a video, the video in the description will link you to that. So how to do it. So there's another link for the export tool, and another link for the creation of a appearance profiler, so we have everything in the right colors. It's easier to look at, easier to work with. Okay, so now we've everything appended in. We have our architectural model, we have our electrical and our mechanical. If we need any more, it's the same process. And you'll notice that's NWC, NWC, and NWC. So how do we make a NWD federated model? All we do is we simply go and save as. You get this option when the save as opens. Save as all files or whatever. So you name it federated model. And once it's saved, it'll actually save as an Navisworks document instead of cache, which will be a NWD. So I'm going to replace that one. And then what it does is it combines all your appended links that went before. It combines them into one federated model NWD. But you still can do those same things. We still hide if you only want to see electrical, for example, or if you only want to see mechanical, same thing. Electrical, hide architectural. But for now, I just want to have a look at the brackets that we installed, just to show what we just did there a second ago. Really, I'm actually proud of that work. That's nice going. I'm impressed. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this has helped. Please feel free to reach out to me in comments, of course, on Instagram, on Trippin Switches, on all platforms, and I'm happy to answer questions. Please, if this video has helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and take care. Talk to you again.